Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for checking out today's video. After walking around and doing the stuff I normally do over the last couple of days, I decided to put this video together. So what this video is about are things that I use pretty much every day. And I decided that if you're gonna be in Thailand and you're gonna stay here for an extended period of time, that you probably need a little bit of help. So if you don't know anybody, I got a couple of apps that I use pretty much every single day, and it definitely makes a big difference. I'm gonna share with you today the two apps that I use to help me get around, help me navigate my day. So I'll share these two apps with you. This first app is Bolt for taxis, because we all need taxis around here. Why I think Bolt is such a great app is you can see when you put in your location that you want to go, it'll come up and tell you the exact price. So you don't have to worry about price with your cab driver. The other great thing about this is it's got GPS, so it'll tell the cab driver where your location is. Not only that, but you're putting in the location of where you're going, so the cab driver knows where to take you. If there is a communication barrier, you don't have to worry about it because he knows where you're going. The second app that I use all the time is Google Translate. I really like this app because one of the features on it, you can actually hold your phone up and use your camera and it'll translate. I use this all the time for purchasing food. So many street vendors, so many restaurants you'll walk up to, especially outside of Bangkok or the big cities. And you're able to walk up, open the app, scan a picture of the menu, which will tell you, translate to your language on what it is. If the communication is really a barrier, then you can just point to what you want. There you have it. A couple of apps I use pretty much every day. Find them very helpful. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully those apps will help you out and you'll find them as helpful as I do. Thanks for watching.